Welcome back to Green Zone. Today, we're diving into the world of beautiful plants that do more than just brighten up your home. They also help in purifying the air. Let's explore 15 amazing plants that can help you breathe easier and create a healthier indoor environment. First up is the spider plant, also known as Chlorophytum comosum. This resilient plant is perfect for beginners and is excellent at removing toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air. It's also great at producing oxygen and can help reduce indoor humidity levels. Next, we have the snake plant, or Sansevieria trifasciata, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is a powerhouse at converting CO2 into oxygen, even at night. It's low maintenance and thrives in low light conditions, making it perfect for any room in your home. The peace lily, or Spathiphyllum, is not only beautiful with its white blooms, but it also filters out harmful chemicals like ammonia, benzene, and trichloroethylene. It's a fantastic plant for improving indoor air quality and adds a touch of elegance to your space. English ivy, or Heterohelix, is a great choice for hanging baskets. It's effective at reducing airborne mold and allergens, making it perfect for allergy sufferers. Plus, it's easy to grow and can adapt to various light conditions. The Boston fern, or Nephrolepis exaltata, loves humidity and is fantastic at removing formaldehyde from the air. It's a great addition to bathrooms or kitchens, and its lush fronds add a touch of greenery to any space. Aloe vera isn't just for soothing sunburns. This plant also helps clear the air of formaldehyde and benzene, also byproducts of chemical-based cleaners. It's easy to care for and also makes a great natural remedy for skin issues. The rubber plant, or Ficus elastica, is known for its large, glossy leaves. It's great at removing toxins like formaldehyde, making it a stylish and functional addition to any room. It also thrives in low to moderate light, making it easy to care for. The bamboo palm, or Chamaedorea ceophrysii, brings a tropical feel to your home while filtering out benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. This palm thrives in indirect light and adds a refreshing touch to your indoor environment. Chinese evergreen, or Aglaonema, is a low-maintenance plant that thrives in low light. It's effective at removing a variety of air pollutants. With its beautiful foliage and easy-care nature, it's a great choice for busy households. Dracaena, specifically Dracaena marginata, with its striking red-edged leaves, helps eliminate benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. It's a versatile plant that can add a dramatic flair to your indoor decor. Golden Pathos, or Epipremnum aureum, also known as money plant, is well known for its air-purifying prowess. It's great at removing formaldehyde, xylene, toluene, and benzene. It's also very easy to propagate, so you can share its benefits with friends and family. The Erica palm, or Dipsis lutescens, is not only a beautiful addition to your home, but also excellent at filtering out formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. Its feathery fronds make it a lovely focal point in any room. The red-edged Dracaena, also known as Dracaena marginata, is great for removing pollutants like formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene from your indoor air. Its unique look can add a modern touch to your home decor. Weeping fig, or Ficus benjamina, is a popular houseplant that helps filter out pollutants such as formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. Its graceful branches and lush foliage make it a stunning addition to any space. Last but not least, the heartleaf philodendron, or Philodendron hederaceum, is a versatile plant that helps remove formaldehyde from the air. It's easy to grow and can thrive in low light, making it perfect for any corner of your home. These 15 plants are not only beautiful but also incredibly beneficial for your home. They help purify the air, making your living space healthier and more enjoyable. Which one will you add to your collection? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!